Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Angelica Villarubia, and today we're diving into the topic basic display variables, data types, and operators. So, if you're a student looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right tutorial to this video, so let's get started. So, displaying basic display in Python, displaying the text to the console or terminal. So, naa siya ito print line, then text dayon, may input ni madala. And then print is for ano lang siya kana ay space mong code. Then print na formatted string na para makaprint with variable. So, natay example diri na unahan nato ang displaying a simple text lang. Simple text or message rather. So, print ato ang quotes, then hello world. And then we have another example. Using the string. So here, print and then code or print para na siya space nga dili siya mo sumpay ana sa ibabaw nato nga example. So name a variable and then ang value nato is Angelica na name, of course. And then another variable nag-assign ta nga age is 18 years old. And then nagamit ta og string. Ang gamit niya is para makaprint ta og with kanang magka-print ta nga variable ang gamit. So name Angelica. So atong name is Angelica. And then is age dayon atong variable years old na text. So and then ang result ano niya is hello world, and then Angelica is 18 years old. Angelica is 18 years old. Ano siya atong string nga gigamit, then mo na yung result. So, basic display in Java is nagagamit po siya og system.out.print for space, and then system.out.print line, then add mo siya semicolon to send textual output to the console. So, we also have formatted string na makaprint with variables. So, system.out.print f parentheses and then space semicolon. So, we have the example na mag-comment taog, mag-display taog simple message lang or text. So, displaying a simple message. So, system.out.print line And then code na hello, comma, then world. And then, pag i-run nato ni siya, ang magawasan na is hello world. And then, next example is, mag-comment na po ta diri para ma-define na to ang description or ang label. So, magamit ako using formatted string sa Java. So, system.out.print line, parentheses, then code, or ano siya, pang space system.out.print line. Then, nag-string name ta, nag-initialize ta diri tagat na to nga string, and then variable na name, equals, ang value is Angelica. Then next, then dapat end with semicolon siya. And then, nag-initialize na food ko. Na in data type, and then variable na age, and value is none. Then system.out.print na if string na formatted string, and then code, my name of text, and then ang parenthesis S is muna siya ang string ibalik kanya itong string Angelica mo siya ang butang data, and then and I'm parenthesis na po the D or the decimal or in kani 19, so I'm 19 years old ibalik siya, and then i-call na to ang name and then age ng variable, then end with semicolon. Now, then pag i-run natin na siya, ang magawas ano is, my name is Angelica, and I'm 19 years old. So, variables in Python. Python has no command for declaring a variable, so ang Python is dynamically typed due. So, next is variables sa Java. So, you must declare the type before using a variable. Java is statically typed, syntax is stricter than Python, so lahi na dyan sila. So, must end lines with semicolon. So, ang Java is dapat mag-declare ka og unsa nga data type imong gigamit user ka hatag og variable. So, it can either be string, int, float, or complex. So, data types is meron siya integer, decimal, character, string, and boolean. So, sa Python, ang iyang kuan is int lang. Sa Java po is int, float, complex, or double. Double ang sa Java. Then, ang str, so when it comes to character, so single character string. Pag sa Java is char, and then string is str, sa Java is string. And then, ang boolean is bool, kung ang condition is true or false. Sa Java is boolean, true or false. So, next na itong i-tackle is ang operators sa Python and Java. So, Python operators are symbols that perform operations and values or operands. Sa Java operators are symbols that instruct the compiler to perform specific operations on one or more operands. So, the following is meron siya ang mga operator sa both in Python and Java. So, addition, ilang operator sa Python is plus, then plus sa Java, and then subtraction, minus, then multiply, Python and Java, divide, same na sila duha. And then next is a comparison operator both in Python and Java. So equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal to. So logical operators both in Python and Java gihapon. So and or not description. So sa Python is word lang siya and or not. And sa Java operator is double sign, like double po diri the exclamation point. The next is assignment operators both in Python and Java. Assignment, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign. So same ka po sila duha Python and Java. So thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial video helpful, so don't forget to like. And again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.